Can't bite me. Sounds like there it is. That's it. Awesome. So I definitely don't want to cook. So I'm going to order. That's the thing to do now. They got promos. $10 off 30, $15 off 50. I did that quite often when I was in India. Swiggy, Zomato. Check out those videos also. Fossos. I did Grubhub. So today we're going to do Doordash. When I was coming home out in the parking lot, I saw a Doordash guy going to go deliver to somebody. Gave me the idea. So after scrolling and seeing what I wanted and deciding not to pay $45 for a bunch of chicken sandwiches, I found this place called Noodles and Company. Let's see here. Noodles and Company. They got all kinds of stuff here. Family meals. So we're going to go with this one here. Which one did I see? Asian bowls. Let's see. Japanese pan noodles with tofu on the side. Grilled orange chicken, lo mein. Spicy Korean beef noodles. Pad Thai with grilled chicken. Pot stickers and Korean barbecue. Add to cart. Sounds good to me. Let's place the order. So it is processing. Order is received. Noodles and Company. 6:40 p.m. arrival. Awesome. Let's see. Check out my receipt. Free delivery. $5 service fee. $5 tip. It's not too bad. It's only coming from a mile and a half away. So we're going to check this out. We're going to wait for this guy to come. Special instructions. Text when he arrives. Ring the doorbell and leave at the doorstep. The whole social distancing thing. I could open the door, put the mask on and all that, but much more convenient. So let's wait for this Asian bowl and check it out and review it. So just got the email. Guy should be here in about a minute or less, maybe 10 seconds, 5 seconds, I don't know. I know they just pulled up. So let's see. Oh, Lakshmi, what are you doing, little Lakshmi girl? You waiting for the food too? You waiting for the man to come? Can't bite me. Sounds like there it is. That's it. Awesome. Oh. Come on. Okay, so we got it. Let's check it out. Noodles and Company. There we go. Set this up. Alright. So, what do we got here? So, it seems like a lot. Got a lot of bowls here. A lot of bowls. Man, that's, jeez. Look at that. Get all the stuff out. With, some kind of sauce, I forget which one. So, Asian bowl. Japanese pan with sai tofu, orange chicken breast, Korean noodle steak, pad thai chicken breast, 6 pot stickers, and small Korean something. Let's check it out. Let's take all these. Okay. Pot stickers. Man, this smells ridiculous. Oh. And I did just wash my hands, if you think it. Lots and lots of times today. So, I'm assuming that this is those Korean meatballs. This is the sai tofu. Where is the pad? This is a bit of pad thai here. Lots of pad thai videos, which you're gonna see probably the 100th, and maybe realistically, maybe the 40th different pad thai ever. This one looks pretty good. Is there a pot sticker? I think the Japanese noodle, and what is this one? Oh, the beef noodle I can see, and this is the orange chicken probably. So let's eat them. I plated up here. Got almost a little bit of everything. Some of them are for others. So I'm gonna take what I'm gonna eat here, and of course try to get into this pad thai right here with chopsticks that I use once every 15 years. Let's try to get it. I didn't get as much sauce as I wanted, but the sauce is there. I'm gonna get more of that later. Try this tofu. I never had this before. This Japanese noodles, or whatever it is. I hope I'm saying it wrong, or I'm identifying the dishes at least correctly. This tofu is pretty good. It's a little bit fried a little bit too hard, I think, in my opinion. But flavor is there, texture is there. Well, this is that orange chicken one here. This is what it is. This was really good, actually. Wow. Okay, let's try Japanese noodles with Japanese chopsticks. With oh, that one's pretty good too. They're all good. One left with a pot sticker. Chicken, vegetable. So you're at home, ordering, Uber Eats, all the different ones. I don't know where you are in the world, wherever country you are, food delivery app. Maybe if you're in the US and you come across this place, Noodles and Company, super good. Everybody's waiting to get into all of this. This was about 50 bucks, and it's gonna feed 4 people well. So not too bad. Took about 30 minutes from delivery, from order time to final delivery. Everything was heated great, tasted great, and it's awesome. So wear a mask, wash your hands, stand 6 feet apart, social distance from people, beat the virus, enjoy family time, and Doordash. Okay, so my empty plate. That was like the Asian tour combo. China, Japan, Korea, and Thailand. Noodle house. Super good. Stuffed. Don't really eat that much noodles besides pad thai. So it's first time really I had a combination of noodles. So that was awesome.